4-piece set, 4 mini loaf pans each measuring 5.75 inch by 3.25 inch by 2.25 inch. Quality materials, made from heavyweight aluminized steel for superior heat conduction and even baking, folded corners and wire rod reinforced rims prevent warping. Non-stick coating, diamond quality non-stick coating makes serving and cleaning easy. Versatile, great for making individual servings or multiple versions of your favorite breads and desserts. Quick, simple cleanup, dishwasher safe but hand wash recommended. Chicago Metallic has built an unmatched reputation as the bakeware experts by delivering commercial quality, high-performance products employing premium materials and construction. Chicago Metallic is proud to introduce Commercial 2, a top-of-the-line assortment of bakeware. Offering both traditional uncoated and dual-coated, diamond-quality non-stick bakeware, the Commercial 2 line provides the strength and durability to craft delectable results day after day. The entire line is made of heavyweight aluminized steel for superior heat conduction and even baking results. Each Chicago Metallic Commercial 2 non-stick piece features a dual-coated, diamond-quality, non-stick coating for easy release of food and easy cleanup. This collection is dishwasher safe, however hand washing is recommended to extend the product life. This Chicago Metallic Commercial 2 set includes 4 mini loaf pans. They are strong and durable, and offer long-lasting construction with folded corners to prevent warping. Each pan measures 5.75 by 3.25 by 2.25 inch. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect little baking loaf pans. Perfect little bread pans. Recommended to me by a friend. I'm so glad I was steered in this direction. I have used several times so far and have had perfect evenly cooked zucchini breads to share. Photo was my very first time using. So easy. Breads just pop right out after baking. I'd use a dab of Crisco and coat with a paper towel to prep prior to filling. They are a breeze to clean. I love them. Would highly recommend.